Alright, the West African Examination Council released their results yesterday. A lot of people are checking their results, but I wanted you to know that there is a simple way you can purchase your serial number and then a PIN code so you can check your results online with ease. Do not get yourself into the hassle of going to an internet cafe and then paying. And a lot of people are taking a look at your results. You can do it yourself. So all I want you to do is dial star 944 hash, and then you send. Now we see WAEC Ghana mobile service. The option one is results checker pins. So now we enter one. We want results checker pins. And we go for results checker pins, BECE and WASSCE. That's what we are after. So we go for WASSCE and then BECE. That is option one, and you enter one again. Now, due to your network operator, you make your choice over here. If you're using MTN, you select MTN Mobile Money. If Vodafone, you go for it. If Airtel Tigo, you go for that one too. So here in next case, I'll select MTN Mobile Money because I use MTN. Now, you see WAEC Ghana mobile service. Choose your mobile wallet number. You will be charged 10 Ghana cedis as payment. So if it is for yourself, you select. If it is for another person, that is the mobile money number you're trying to use. If you want them to charge from your own account, you input your mobile money number. If you want them to charge it from another account, you input the number. And then you will receive a pop-up menu for you to confirm the payment. That is, you enter your mobile money PIN and then you confirm the payment. So now I enter self. Now star 170 hash and select option 6 followed by option 3 to approve your transaction. You can also retrieve your SMS at recoverysms.waecgh.org. Thank you. Now, if I want to confirm the transaction, all I gotta do is dial. You don't even need to worry yourself. They send a pop-up menu for me to confirm the payment. Now, I am not purchasing an internet bundle, so there's no need for me to confirm this payment. But I just wanted you to know that there's a simple way you can purchase these serial numbers and PIN codes and then check your results with ease. Don't just go through the hassle of finding yourself at an internet cafe and then a lot of people taking a look at your results. No, just keep it all to yourself. So now, when you get the results, after you make the payment and then a PIN code and then a serial number will be sent to you by SMS. I purchased one yesterday, so I want to show it to you. Now let's take a look at my SMS. Now we see the messages over here. I purchased some yesterday, so these are the messages. They will send you the serial number and then the PIN code you need. So you go to the site and then you check your results all by yourself. Now after you purchase, you make the payment and then they send the message to you. There is something you should know. When your PIN code starts with WGR, I want you to listen to this and listen close. If your PIN code starts with WGR, you will check your results from ghana.waecdirect.org. That is the first link link that you see on the screen. That's where you're going to check your results from. But if your pin code doesn't start with WGR, you will need to check your results from eresults.waecgh.org. I want you to take this serious, because if you try to check your results from any of these websites, they got specific pin codes that they use. So if your pin code does not start with WGR, do not go and check it from GhanaWaecDirect.org. If it starts with any other number, you gotta check it from eresults.waecgh.org. So now, even if they send you the message, if WAEC sends you the message, they won't tell you the site from which you have to check your results from. Now let's get into the real issue. So now, after you got the message, all you gotta do it, do not use Google straight away. I want you to use Google Chrome. Now, when you're on Google Chrome, I want you to type you're going to type eresults, eresults. Do not worry about the inconveniences. eresults.waecgh.org. I visited the site already, and that's why I got the website address being suggested for me. So you're going to type eresults.waecgh.org. I want you to take a look. Pay attention to the way I typed it. The E doesn't start with a capital letter. It is a small letter. So you type eresults.waecgh.org, and then you search for it. Now when you search for it, you see we got a website address. No, sorry, not a website address. We got a website that is asking for an index number. Confirm index number, select exam type. Now you checking for a WASSCE results, and this is school, so you select WASSCE school. That is a public one, not a private. The private will be NUVDEC. This is a public one, so you select WASSCE school, and then the exam year. You get to the exam year. Sorry. Now let's try it again. We gotta try it again. My device isn't responding. Sorry. Let's go back and check it again. We'll have to try again. It wasn't responding. So let's visit the site once again. The site is choked because a lot of people are checking that resource. That's why you see it wasn't responding. We're going to the site once again. Now we are on the site once again. Now we see our index number is being asked for, and confirm index number, you select exam type, exam year, serial number, and then your PIN code. Now, I want you to take a look. When you make the payment and then the message is being sent to you, the serial number is just numerals. There's no letter in it. I want you to listen again. The serial number is just numerals. There's no letter in it. The ones that you find letters in it, like A1, B2, C3, D4, E5, F9, that is your PIN code. But the one that's with only numerals, that is a serial number. So make sure you don't mix them up. So you select your exam year, and then now with the exam year, you wrote your exam maybe 2021, or if whatever year it is you wrote your exam, you selected. So in this case, we go for 2021, and then we go for the exam type. Now the exam type is WASSCE school. That is a public one, as I was saying earlier. WASSCE school. So you go for it. If it were to be enough deck, you select WASSCE private. But in this case, we got WASSCE school. So you input your index number, and then you confirm your index number. You got the exam year, and you input your serial number, your PIN code, and then you submit. When you submit, in just about 5 seconds, the page will show, and then your results will be displayed, and then you save yourself from other people taking a look at your results. So that is all I wanted you to know for now. Enjoy checking your results, and then be bold. Do not be afraid to check your own results, because whatever it is that is being displayed over there cannot be changed from next time on. So just be bold, and then believe in yourself that everything's gonna be okay. Thank you.